So this right here is one of the most important things you can take. I'll show you that in a minute. You definitely need that. Okay, I'm gonna make a quick video on how I stay out on the road indefinitely. Before we get started with the suitcase, I want to show you this first. This is important. This is what I keep under the seat. This is a Columbia jacket. It's waterproof. And waterproof pants that I put over my clothes. Why do you need this? Well, let's just say you're gonna end up getting wet on the road. Either you can protect your clothes from getting wet, or you can just walk out there, like a wet dog. So this is good to have in the truck. Waterproof pants and a waterproof jacket, because in case you get stuck or you have to repair something or you have to go out or unlock the back, unload, reload, these are for rainy days. This will keep you 100% dry. I just put this under the seat, and you should too, because if not, you're gonna get wet or cold. This is a laundry bag. This is a big laundry bag I keep under the seat too. So when you do your laundry or your dirty clothes, you have somewhere to put it in. I don't use it much, but let me show you what I use to stay on the road indefinitely. When you buy a suitcase, make sure that the wheels are big. If not, you're gonna regret it. If you have those itty bitty wheels, what's gonna happen is you're gonna drag this thing through the motels or the hotels, and you're gonna end up dragging the thing. With this, I can move this on all four wheels or whatever. But when you have smaller wheels, which I have on those, they get stuck all the time, especially on the carpet. Let me show you what I take on the road, how I pack. Stay out indefinitely. I use this pocket here. Keep phones. I put my GPS there, my Garmin. In this pocket here. I keep my tablet. I use this to watch my football games, my Cleveland Browns and my Cavaliers, Cleveland Indians. A mouse, because I have to use a mouse. What else do I have here? Hold on. In here, I keep like toiletries and stuff. This is deodorant, Q-tips, toothpicks. And these little bags here, they sell them on Amazon. I forgot what they're called, but I'll look up my orders and I'll show you exactly what they are. I'll put them in the description. You need these little bags to help you pack, because if you throw everything in there, you're not gonna have much room for anything. Bag of quarters that I use for laundry. Use that for the laundry. Here's my computer, my laptop. I do dispatching, so I dispatch on the road. I need a laptop. I can't look up loads on the phone. I need something big to look at, and I have my mouse there for that. So take my laptop on the road, my tablet, so I can watch my Netflix, Hulu, or whatever. On the side, let me see. All right, so now I'm gonna open this up. Oh, wrong one. Show you everything I have in here. All right, so this right here is one of the most important things you can take. I'll show you that in a minute. You definitely need that. Here is where I keep my shaving stuff. Shaving cream. Shaving disposable razors. Sometimes I take my single-use razors, but just don't have the time to do that kind of shaving. Again, here are those bags that you need, for packing. I keep my own little shampoos here, own little conditioner, a little bottle of lotion, toothpaste, toothbrush. Make sure you protect it, because you don't want to lay your toothbrush on a motel on the sink. Deodorant, I use the powder. I don't like the mints because it smells awful. Battery, not a battery, soap dish, because you don't want your soap getting, you don't want your soap to, wet soap to get all your other stuff wet. Now, the secret to packing this stuff is these bags. These are, I forgot what they're called. They're for packing. I mean, without these, I couldn't pack much. Like I said, with this, I can pack a week's worth of clothes, stay out indefinitely. I figured I'll look it up on my orders on Amazon and show you where they are exactly. But you see in this little bag here, I keep t-shirts and I keep my boxers. I wear boxers. I don't wear those whiteys or whatever you call them. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 t-shirt, the one I have on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of boxers in this little bag. Next, I have a little laundry bag. So when I clothes are dirty, throw them in here, throw them in the case. I have the bigger one in case I get lazy and don't want to wash clothes in the hotel. Here's another bag. I have soap in here, another box of soap, because hotel soaps, when you put that crap on you, it's like some sticky crap. It's so cheap, it's not even good. I have another one of these bags here. Here's where I keep my socks. You can keep more underwears, keep your panties in here, some bras or whatever if you're a female. I have socks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs of socks, 10 pairs of socks, plus the ones I have on, 11 pairs of socks. It's another bag. These bags are the best. Here's another bag that I have here. Let me move this out of the way. Open this up here. Here's where I keep my pants. I keep long sleeve shirts because I wear long sleeve shirts. You might not wear long sleeve shirts, so you can fit a whole bunch of more shirts here, more pants. I wear long sleeve shirts all the time because that's just the way I dress. So I got one of these here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one I have on 6 shirts, long sleeve shirts. Here are the pants I have here in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of pants in one of these bags. So again, I'm going to show you how to find these. Without this, you won't be able to fit all this stuff. Let me see what else here. Here's a pocket in this one. This is a sweet suitcase. It has a pocket here. To stay out indefinitely, you have to wash these clothes in the hotel maybe once a week, which is not bad. If you can't do once a week, wear your clothes twice a day or 2 days in a row, whatever. And in this bag here, I don't know if you can see it, I have a little bottle of Tide. You can use pods. I have Tide pods and a little bag of dryer sheets. So that's what I use to wash my clothes once a week or once every, few days. Depends on, I usually wash them when I have my 34-hour break. Here's another pocket. I can put all kinds of stuff here. If you open this, I have a spray here, Lysol, because when you go to these hotels, you're going to see how nasty they are. I keep a COVID test in here. So when I come home, I'm on the road for 2 or 3 weeks at a time. I take a COVID test so I don't bring that COVID to my kids and my wife. The sanitizer here. Have a bag here with all my chargers, all my plugs, my headphones, so I make sure they don't get lost. And I think that's pretty much it. I might be missing something else. But yeah, all of this in one suitcase, little suitcase. This is a cool little suitcase. Like I said, the wheels are big, has pockets everywhere for everything. Pockets in the front, the side, batches everywhere. This is a wet bag that I use for my laundry. You can put your wet bikinis or your wet shorts if you're swimming. If you're taking a break in the ocean, this pops up. Wheels easy. Has a charger. I don't use it. Has a lock. I don't use it. But from this little thing, you pack all this crap. And with all this, I can stay out indefinitely. I can stay out for a month, 2 months, 3 months. It doesn't matter. And these are the secret to why I'm able to pack so much. It's because of these bags. I'll show you what these are. These are good to have too, to pack little stuff. All this stuff, I'll have my wife repack it, see if she'll do it for me because it's a lot of crap. One more thing I almost forgot about. This is like one of the most important things you can add to your luggage. These are sandals. When you're in a hotel taking a shower, people tend to pee. It doesn't matter if they're kids or adult, they pee on the floor. For some reason, when you get in the shower, it induces pee, and they start peeing on the floor. If you go to the truck stop, you have people coming in all day long, in and out to shower. These truckers be on the road 2, 3, 4 weeks or months on the road. They're sexually frustrated. They get into these showers and they want to spank the old monkey. Next thing you know, they're over there killing babies, and then you come in next, get all that stuff all over your feet. So never, ever, ever, even in a fitness place, never take a shower without these, because you're gonna end up growing an extra toe, or one of your toes might get pregnant or something. You know what I'm saying? Because you're stepping in the crap that people leave behind. People can be nasty. Last thing you want is dirt, bodily fluids, or pee on your feet when you're taking a shower. And that should be it. Man, what a mess. All right, I'll talk to you guys later, man.